Hey guys, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you a little walkthrough of the project Micro Musician on CodeSpace. Alright, so the materials we'll need are 2 alligator clips, it doesn't matter what color, they're all the same, a speaker, and your microbit, of course. So, let's get started.
Alright guys, so the first step is to plug in your microbit, like so, and wait for it to connect. Alright, so once it's connected, you want to plug in your alligator clips, and you have to do this at G and D. Make sure they're straight, and 0. Next step is the speaker. Alright, so clip it on, and do the same with the other. So a good way to do it is to get your full hand, like don't just do it with fingertips, do your in between your thumb and the middle of your finger here. Okay, so once you have that plugged in, move on to the next step. Alright, so click next, and it's time to type in your code. Now make sure to watch out for capitalization, and then once you're done, press play. Now it should give you a nice Nyan Cat song. And you get this little, you get some XP and a little celebration because you did it. You just coded a sound. So here's another thing you could do is image.music quaver, which we're showing you now, what that's going to sound like. Then you do image music blues and press play, and you get this. Now click yes, and you get some more XP. Another party, you know, can't party too much. You can do a lot with this, and it's actually applicable, which is really cool. And yeah.